Hi, I am Amir Hossein Mirza Bozorg, and in this video I want to talk about discount code for all the premium Abaqus tutorials and packages from Feb 18th to March 4th. The discount code is Feb 2026 and discount for everybody is 40% and discount for people who have purchased or have had online sessions before is 50% and discount for people who have purchased and have had online sessions before is 55%. And if you would like to purchase any premium tutorials or packages at a discount, please send us the names of the tutorials or packages along with the discount code. You can text us via Telegram or WhatsApp, or you can send email to us. About the buyers of tutorials and packages related to structural integrity and assessment, if you buy any tutorials related to structural integrity and assessment, then 10% of your payment will be saved for your next purchase. This is not a new condition and belongs to all the previous purchases related to structural integrity and assessment. And this discount has no deadline or other limitations and can be used in conjunction with announced discounts such as Feb 2026. The discount conditions are different for this tutorial. This tutorial is about the example 911 of Example Problems Manual of API 579, and it is about Level 3 crack assessment. Here is the link to its preview. For this tutorial, the discount for everybody is 30%, and the discount for people who have purchased the comprehensive Abaqus package or one of its sub-packages is 40%, and the discount for people who have purchased one of the tutorials related to crack assessment is 40%. If you have bought more than one tutorial about crack assessment, please text us for a better discount. Basically, our YouTube channel offers two types of tutorials: free tutorials and preview of the premium tutorials. And certain free tutorials offer extended premium packages. The price excluding any discounts are outlined in the description below the videos. When you provide us with the discount code Feb 2026, you will only be required to pay nearly half of the stated prices according to the discount conditions I mentioned in the previous slides. If you specify the names of the premium tutorials or packages you desire without mentioning the discount code, the discount will not be applied to your order, and the next discount will be announced in July 2026. About the limitations, the discount code can be utilized multiple times between Feb 18th and March 4th. There are no restrictions on the quantity of premium tutorials or packages you can purchase using the discount. The sole limitation on the discount code is its expiration, which is March 4th. In the previous slide, I mentioned that you can text us via Telegram or WhatsApp, or you can send email to us. We have several kinds of services related to FEA consultancy. They include one-on-one tutoring and making special tutorials to your order, high-quality simulations for your thesis, exercises, and industrial projects, and we have training sessions, courses, webinars based on the user requirements, and we offer support in writing the modeling and result discussion part of your thesis, and we have consulting services for MSc, PhD positions or job interviews, and we can help you to prepare the presentation of your simulation works. Now I want to suggest you several related videos of our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good time. Goodbye.